Wade Wyant here with Red Wagon, and we're talking about the PACE document from the Scaling Up Growth Tools. In most organizations, you've probably spent some time writing your SOPs, or you've done ISO, or you've gone through and built processes on how you run the business. And we believe that that's one of the most fundamental things that you have to get done. You have to build the what is your way, or what's your way of doing business. While building these processes, you're going to find there's hundreds, if not in some businesses, thousands of processes you could document. And again, there are certification processes like ISO that go through and help you do that. With scaling up, though, we want you to identify what are the top 4 to 9 processes that drive your business. This is akin to Jim Collins' concept around the flywheel, and trying to just identify what are the things that you can do that you can accelerate your growth, ensure that you have success, and make sure that you're positioned to scale. Because while there are hundreds or even thousands of processes in your business, and we want to see you document and know, and not just document, but also make those processes as efficient as possible, what we really want to do is identify the top ones that drive your business in order to make sure that you're really focused in on those. So when we look at the growth tools, this is what the growth tools PACE document looks like. Your document may be custom to you, depending on if you have a Scaling Up coach or not. The exercise is having you go through and think about your business and think about what are the most critical processes that drive your business and document them. Once you've done that, then we also want to assign someone to be accountable for those processes. Why is that? We believe it's important that if you want to maintain the process, keep it up to date, and also have the most efficiency possible, someone has to be accountable. And then finally, we love to have KPIs. Or you can call them OKRs if you're more in the Google and high-tech world. But the bottom line is we want to have some objectives or key performance indicators that you're following in order to achieve those processes and know that you're having the most efficiency possible. So bottom line to summarize, you want to identify the 4 to 9 processes that you use to drive your business. Not everybody on the team as you're doing this exercise may agree, but that's okay. We want to get down what you believe they are, and then we'll have a final set that we all discuss, and then we'll get it down to just 4 or 5 for the team. Once that's finished and we have someone accountable for it and we have a KPI set, the long-term goal with this list is not just to make it, but to make sure we maintain those processes and that over time they become as efficient as possible. And the most important thing, they drive more business, and they drive more scale, and they drive the ability for you to have the success that you're looking for in your business. I'm Wade Wyant. Thank you for watching this Growth Tools video, and I look forward to joining you in a future Growth Tools video.